Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the connection problem with your HP speaker. So as you can see, the device is in the pairing mode, but I'm unable to connect with it. So how to fix it? At the first, just power off your device with the power button. Next, click OK and turn off the Bluetooth on your phone. Right now, click and hold this power button until this indicator starts blinking quickly. We are going to activate the pairing mode manually. Let's make it right now. Okay, right now it is blinking, so we can release the button and turn on Bluetooth on our phone. Next, you will find the device on available devices list. In my case, it was previously connected, so I have to remove it from the list. And there is the HP speaker on the list, as you can see. So when I'm gonna select it, I have to accept the pairing request, and right now I'm successfully connected. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.